Wow, look at the size of this oak tree. Oh, snakes and mice.
There, this is so cool. I love the country, love the sunshine, the
All right, I just had to get a little bit closer.
freedom. Things are happening. It's been a hard road, but man.
All right, I just had to get a little bit closer. Wow. Like I said, this winter, I'll definitely go around and look for all the outcrops. Right now.
Hey guys, welcome back. So we are way behind on our farm vlog, so we're going to cover a lot of ground today. Here we are in November of 24 on the new Missouri farm. It's kind of rainy today, but I assure you we're going to get a lot of sunshine and fresh air in the farm vlog because we're probably 2 to 3 months behind on an update. So join us for some fun, some fresh air, some freedom from our Missouri Ozarks farm. And if you do enjoy it, hit the like button. So let's get it underway and see what a lot has been going on in the last 2 to 3 months. Check out that branch. Imagine getting impaled by one of these down branches. That thing is just sticking straight up in the air. That's right along the driveway.
All right, well, literally over 600 staples later. And yeah, the occasional blister.
All right, this is just a preview of one of many DIY projects that Sharon has already completed. We kind of divide and conquer. She does like the rehab of the house projects, and I work on the machines as much as I can on the outdoors. This is done. This is completely done. The previous owner told me that they were never successfully able to keep these screens in because the winds would blow them out. But she found a way, not only with the screens in, it's beautified and it's all set up, but it'll be a full project video, just one of many coming.
So Prim's meowing, she's outside. This is why I look before I open the door. Prim. Yeah. I don't know if it's going to be alive or dead. You can just drop it. Okay? Really, just set it there. I'll come get it. All right, I appreciate it. Yeah, I know. How about... Oh. Is it still alive? Prim. All right, good girl. Good girl. Okay, it's under the box here. You want to go in? Here, why don't you go in? Good girl. Oh. Snakes and mice. I hate them.
Oh, nice visitor while I'm editing a trail cam video. Little junior Bucky. Very nice. Hey, buddy. So speaking of deer in the outdoors, my biggest priority was to try to get our property set up to bring in a little income this first year. Deer blinds, food plots, getting trails cut, watering holes, strategy, the cost share program. Yeah, that's a big one. I'll transition to that next. So anyways, I accomplished what I had hoped to with the help of Sharon and Phil, of course, helping me get it set up. So we actually have some deer lease guys coming here in just a few days for the Missouri rifle season. It's going to be exciting. I've always wanted to try my hand at it, and if it could help us bring in some income, that's one of the things we're going to do to help pay for this size of a farm. And then speaking of the cost share programs, we finally got paid. We got paid for both of them. So I'll be putting together complete videos on how you too, at least if you live in Missouri, and some states are similar, you can do land and wildlife improvement projects and actually get paid, whether it's federal or state money to help you improve your property for wildlife. And this was a great year for us. We maximized the annual limit. So stay tuned to the channels to see how that all works and how much we paid out of pocket and then how much we got for returns on it. And another new first for us. Living this rural has its disadvantages. We don't have garbage service here, so I made my very first trip to the transfer station. You know, we saved up like 2 to 3 months of garbage. I had to haul it in. I had to offload it by hand. But hey, a small price to pay for the beautiful freedom and quietness and peacefulness that we get to enjoy every day. Okay, November 1st, part of our vlog. It's warm enough. I'm getting a little sun. I like my primal sun, but at the same time, I'm getting an alert from that plot right up there, the driveway plot. A nice buck came in, and before that, a little forkhorn snuck up on me. I got a video of him. I'm sitting on the beach listening to podcasts, and look at what we got here. We got a visitor. Hey, buddy. You totally snuck up on me. There, this is so cool. I love the country, love the sunshine, the freedom. Things are happening. It's been a hard road, but man, follow your dreams, peeps. One day at a time. Thanks a lot. Okay, and speaking of following your dreams, I went to the taxidermist in Southern Illinois, even though we're in Missouri now, and I got my pig head. That was my bucket list. I did go hog hunting, 2 years ago now with Phil and the guys. We had a lot of fun, and I got a big toothed hog, and now it's going to rest in the basement where I could tell big stories about it. Whether they're embellished or not is kind of irrelevant, just another bucket list item down. Happy to go pick them up from the taxidermist.
Wow, look at the size of this oak tree. I mean, it is massive. There's no way I'd even be able to put my arms around probably this outside branch here. But it's huge all the way up. And there was another piece of the trunk that went this way. And that's just as high. Wow. Way cool. And then look at the rock formation behind it. It's kind of hard to see, but I'll definitely be taking you out here this winter and look at a lot of the rock ledges that are and the outcrops that are sticking out. All right, I just had to get a little bit closer. Wow. Like I said, this winter, I'll definitely go around and look for all the outcrops. Right now, it's just a little too warm, a little too many snakes, too many critters that aren't sleeping yet for the winter. But man, that's pretty cool. It's got two different layers. Looks like sandstone on the top, and I don't know if that's sandstone on the bottom or if that's that dolomite stuff. Wow. Oh, this will be fun. All right, look at this rock. It's just like one of the boulders, like the other boulders that are around here. But it's got a little bit of a hole in it. I bet there's somebody living in there. Let's go take a closer look. Oh, that's pretty cool. Now, I don't want to disturb anybody if there's somebody that decided this is their winter home, but I just wanted to see how deep the opening was. A few inches. Still pretty cool. Okay, I heard something rustling around in the leaves back there, and there were squirrels there before, and all of a sudden a fox popped out, and it saw me and took off. Yeah, they're not going to do anything to me, I don't think, but I did forget to bring my pepper spray in case I find some coyotes or bobcat. But wow, that was close. He was right there right about where those 3 rocks are. And he stopped and saw me.
Okay, just a real quick backstory on this next segment. This is my buddy on the right, Joe the Farmer, and he does a live stream every, I think, Thursday, and he had Tony's Tractor Adventure. You know, they do it every Thursday, and somebody brought up me, Kapper, and a question, and this is kind of funny. He calls me grumpy. He says I'm like Clint Eastwood, you know, get off my lawn, grumpy, but I try to stay positive, but I thought maybe our regulars at least would enjoy it. Let's check it out.
He's my kind of man right here, I'm telling you. Set your new fence, put tripwire in.
Yeah, he's not playing. Yeah,
No,
Wade
not
said
playing.
he's burying tannerite all over the farm. Dale
Right.
Kapper he has 2 channels. He has his main one, and then he has his 2.0 channel, and both of them he's like, it's Kapper. Get off my lawn. Man,
So
a coyote
cool,
working
dude.
today. I love him, man. He's just a grumpy old Marine, man. He's exactly in person as you see.
He is who he is.
Yeah, he was at my farm one time, and we're just sitting there talking. He's like, "What do you got? Steaks?" I was like, "We got pork chops." I drove all the way here for pork chops. This is him, man. He's just, I love the guy.
Love it. So security and defensibility, privacy is one thing. Like I said,
Oh, does it look like a mess now? Heck yeah. But that's how you make progress.
Okay, let's talk about progress. We've been hitting projects, you know, pretty much every week, every day for me, and weekends for Sharon. So I'm missing my hot tub, you know, for my back, my hips, my foot, my spine, and all that stuff. But this week we got a new install coming on this basement door because it leaks, because they didn't pour concrete here, so we had a bunch of water come in this door this weekend, and we had to put a bunch of towels on and all that stuff. So anyways, we worked together on beginning to do a DIY pad for my hot tub, but we also have been doing a lot of other projects. You know, Sharon's been doing stuff in the house, but the machines have been really good. It's really good. We saved a lot of back labor on just this weekend, you know, just on a 4-hour blast that we did together. But that leads me to equipment, to talking about other stuff. So first of all, we are expanding our opportunities on the YouTube channels. We did do a collaboration, and we put a red lithium battery pack in our electric Intimidator buggy. It's insane. We did a full-length video on that. That's been pretty cool, and now we got a couple more offers to expand and collaborate with other lithium equipment companies, but we're hoping, fingers crossed, I can't divulge too much, but we're hoping for a new Coyote contract sponsorship coming here in the near future with equipment. I mean, we've been loyal Coyote tractor owners, so we'll see. Something may or may not happen here, but fingers are crossed, you know, that we can make something happen, because we got such a beautiful farm here, and we have like literally unlimited opportunities for land projects here.
All right, here's my little rat catcher. She came running across my beach with a rat in her mouth, and it was alive. So she let it go, and it jumped in the pond, and we dispatched it. But now she wants to get cuddly after rat nasties in her mouth.
Okay, that's where I'm going to wind it down. I didn't even scratch the surface, I mean literally, of the stuff we got going on, but we're trying to find a balance. You know, it's hard. I mean, Sharon's working full-time, and I'm trying to manage the land and that, and manage health issues and all that. But hey, my body still works where I can use it, so I try to live the dream every day. But we appreciate you guys being part of our family. It's going to be a big couple weeks here. Like I said, we got our first kind of ever deer leases coming for the rifle season here in Missouri. So I haven't even hunted our property. Be honest, my hunting gear is still in boxes. But I got the work done that I wanted to get done, and it's going to be exciting. I'm really hopeful the guys have fun, and from where they're coming from, they have a good experience. You know, yeah, we don't have Iowa monsters or Northern Illinois kind of monsters, but we got some really nice bucks that if you're from down south and if you're from areas where you don't have fantastic deer hunting, this is going to be world-class deer hunting for them. That's my hope. So stay tuned to the channels. We appreciate you joining us. I love reading comments every day and replying, of course, especially positive ones. But hey, whatever, we got a few trolls here and there. That's part of social media life. So remember, if you have dreams, follow your dreams, you know, move the needle ahead in any way you can. Dream big, take action to follow up. So we'll catch you on the next Farm Blog episode in a few weeks or a month. So stay tuned to both channels. Thanks a lot. We love having you aboard as part of our family. Take care.